So let us solve this question. Okay, this is another spreadsheet question of lab. So this type of question may come at your exam. Very easy one. See, create a spreadsheet for the following data. It contains employee names, first name, last name, city, state, and the income per month. You are required to create a spreadsheet in appropriate format for the sample level and data. So what I have done, I have written everything in this Excel. So this was asked to do, just go and type it out, and you can see you are told that sort by last name and first name, and after that save that file, and this should be the file name TEE1. So very easy, we have to sort by the last name and then first name. So how to do that? Select, so what this thing I have written, and put up a heading. So at the top I have just add this heading. You should add this heading. Now see, I have selected the last name column, and after that I have again selected the first name column. Now you can see under home tab in the ribbon, this is called ribbon, under the home tab at the rightmost position we have this option sort and filter. So I will just click this drop down menu. After I have clicked to this drop down menu, you can see it is written sort by A to Z, sort by Z to A. So there are two ways. We can sort in ascending order, also we can sort in descending order. So this is the sorting by A to Z, that is what, the first alphabet to last alphabet. So I will sort in ascending order, see, A to Z. So you can see it has been sorted by the last name. First priority will be given to the last name, and then the next priority will be given to the first name, because it was told by sort by last name and first name. So that is why I have selected the last name column first, and after that I have selected the first name column. Now you can see over here C for, then G, then K, then M, right, M, then also M, then S, then V. So this has been sorted first, and accordingly this has been sorted, right? So now we have to save this file by this name TEE1. Very easy, file, go to save as, in desktop you can name it TEE space 1. Now save the file in desktop. Okay, done. Now see, in B, sort by city and save as TEE2, sort by city. Very easy. Now you have to sort by city, sort A to Z, that means first letter to last letter in that order. So order will be starting from A, that means all the word which will start from A, that will appear first, and if there are any word which start from Z, that will appear at the last. So in descending order. So this thing I will do. So A to the last one, R, that is position to the last part of the alphabet, right, A to Z. So this has been sorted properly. You can see descending order, ascending order, small to large, ascending order. And now I will save this file as TEE2. Fine. Now see, third question, sort by amount, and name that file as TEE3. So sort by amount will be easy. Now here this thing will be sort by amount, smallest to largest, sort by smallest to largest, right? What does it mean? This window is appearing every time, right? So try to understand. See, expand the selection. So I have selected expand the selection, that means at the time this will be sorted, its relevant field also change its position. So according to the position of this particular field, all other field will also change, right? And if you click this option, that means only this thing will be affected. The order will be changed for this particular field. Other fields will just remain same. all other fields will remain same, right? So you will sort with this one, expand the selection. That means when this numbering will be sorted in ascending order, other field will also be affected, right? So expand the selection, sort. Now you can see the small amount will appear at the top and the largest amount will appear at the last. Now we are going to save the file as TEE3, and at last we are asked to do the total. Fine, let us do the total. Very easy. Just pull it, drag it down, just drag it down till the blank space, blank cell. Now here, see, under the home ribbon we have got this auto sum. So just do the auto sum, this option, auto sum. From the drop down bar you can find this auto sum. Okay, so you can see. So this is the total sum. Fine, now we have completed. So this question have been solved. We can secure 16 marks. If this type of question appear of sorting, we can very easily do it, right? So in next session I will discuss another question that might be coming in your exam. Fine, thank you.